But Dave, why would I choose you? I don't know you. We don't have a relationship. I've never met you before. I never sat in a boardroom with you. What is it that makes you so special that you think you could help me accomplish my dreams and my goals and become the best version of myself I can be? And it's easy. Because I've gone down this path. I've lived a crazy life. I've succeeded to some of the highest heights, and I have failed so miserably that I know what it feels like to be at the bottom. I've rode the roller coaster for 24 years. I jumped ship on a university degree to go to music school. I don't even play an instrument. I ended up finishing top of my class in business there. I got to work for the biggest record label in the world. I was the youngest brand manager that I've ever hired there. I created my own job there. I built a niche. I found opportunities that no one was willing to look for. I separated myself from all the other people. I got a job with my favorite brand. My favorite brand. Less than a year into it, they asked me to start an agency. I didn't even know what an agency was. But I've had that agency now for 13 years. Has it always been successful? No. But it's had Fortune 500 company clients. It's always been successful in terms of projects. And after 24 years of sitting in boardrooms, learning from CEOs and presidents, working alongside brand managers, directors, vice presidents, entrepreneurs, startups, sitting and listening and learning from musicians and actors and directors and artists, learning from people on the streets, listening to what they were saying, going into bars and restaurants and clubs, and understanding what people were looking for. I'm different because my experiences have allowed me to get here. And by getting here, my journey is what you will learn from me. Why choose me? Because I'll tell you stories and experiences that no one else can. Because I'll make you believe in yourself, because I know it's in there. And because after 24 years, I want to serve. I want to help you. I want brands to finally be what they always wanted to be. And I want people that work at those brands or have their own companies to look in the mirror and go, God, I crushed it today. Literally, I went in today and I nailed it. Why you want to work with me is because no one else is like me. And that's exactly what a marketing architect is. So different, yet so perfect in so many ways.